Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ngayon guys, mag-build a beehive Halloween tayo guys. Ayan. So, I am 4 pa lang guys. Ganito pa lang guys yung mga honeycomb ko. So, meron din pala kaming bees and parang ganyan no, yung beehive. Merong beehive sa amin guys. So, sa garden namin meron. Pero nga lang guys, maliit pa siya. Oh my god, parang guys umuulan. Mostly cloudy pa guys. So guys, ayan guys, nakikita niyo guys to. Ayan. Oopsie, oopsie. Oopsie, doopsie. So guys. Oh my god guys. I am almost done with this. Oh my god, yung honeycomb. It's so sell all honey guys. Buy lavender, buy again. Pindutin niyo lang guys. And my toilet guys. And oh my god, zero stock, zero stock. Dapat merong stock eh. Oh. Hey. Ang daming bumibili. Dapat huwag na kaya sila bumili. And flower leaf, clover. Nakakainis pala guys pag merong nang bumibili at saka inuubos agad nila ako. Isa-isa lang yung mga binibili. Minsan ganun. Ang dami kasi yung binibili. Yung 100, yung 20. Ayan guys, 2 of them. Yung akin ganyan lang or mga 3. Ayan, spawn bee. Ayan pala siya guys. Ayun. Yan. Okay. Oh my god, sana malaki guys yung dito. So guys, yan. Oh my god. Spawn bee. Please, sana rare. Dapat dito legendary Dito legendary. Dito pa. Oh my god. Sana dito. Please. First time lang. Oh my god. Tignan niyo. Tignan nyo guys ang moon! 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 Moony! May pangalang Moony at saka Hay at saka D115 ako guys yan. Oh my god, I want to go to the moon. Eh bakit nga lang may ngipin? Baka ako pa yung makain. Oh my god, please, sana malaki. Sana malaki, sana malaki. Sana guys malaki. Kasi guys hindi... Uy, may restock! Bye, bye, bye. Go, 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 go. My tuli! Oh my god, oh my god. No. No! Dapat kasi totoo ba? $10 lang. Please, sana, please, sana, please. Guys, spawn B. May na-spawn B. May nag-spawn B. Ang daming nag-spawn B. Sana uubi yan. No! Please. Oh my gosh! Hey, guys. Hey, tignan niyo guys to. Oh my god! Oh my god! OMG! Oh my god! OMG! I really have it. Look at this, and also a rainbow one. Wow! Oh my god. How is that even possible? How is that even impossible? Did I just grew a gold? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at them. Look at this. Oh my god, he has so many. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! OMG. I need to buy or sell. I need this. And this. Ubusin ko na nga to. Yung ganito. Kasi hindi nagpapabitan ng stock. Nakakainis pag walang stock. At least malapit na guys. Hintayin ko na lang to guys yung 130. Next stock in. Sana guys, ito yung fire blossom or bluebell lily and rose. Cactus, Hippopia ovaria and Aguilegia corulia. Malapit na guys! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, guys, guys. Guys, 29 minutes na lang. 29 minutes na lang. 29 minutes na lang. 16 minutes, 15 minutes, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please. San? May tulip na. Bro. I really can. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I cannot afford. What the? $20,000. What the? No. So guys. Lavender seed, daisy seed. Okay guys, may malaki. Sana guys, mas malaki pa. May sunflower seed guys, so sobrang dapat laki nun. Dahil sunflower. Ayan siya na gumanda guys. Ayan kasi guys ang sinasabi ko. Ayan guys. Bite bee. Ang dami guys no. Sobrang dami guys. Sobrang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 halos bees. May 18 bee na ako. Kasi, oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Wait, guys. Ipipisitin ko yung ilong ko. Oh my god, guys. What the heck? Why do I have some? Oh my god. Which one you want? Cactus? I only have one. What is this? Roblox automatically translates support languages in chat. OP flowers. Which one you want? Cactus. I only have one. Indonesian KKK. I can't give you. I'm not Indonesian. Huh? You want wizard? Huh. Leg flowers op. I'm video OP. I'm video recording. So So guys, wait lang guys. Recording guys. Recording. Okay. So guys, oh my god, I just had those one. Oh my god guys, oh my god. Please. I get a ninja bee. Oh my god, I got a ninja bee. I got a epic ninja. Wait, did I just have a bee? Kawaii. Oh, I thought it was a uhubi. It was a kawaii. I want the queen bee. Ninja bee has 80 pollen. Bumblebee, why is it so taba? The bumblebee is so taba. Oh my god. Oh my Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. Is this really impossible? Three eggs kawaii bee, 10x honeybee, 1x ninja bee, 4x clover bee, and 3x bumblebee, and 3x white bee. Ang dami ko na guys. Sana guys maka 1,000 billion tayo. So hit that subscribe, like, and share. And also comment. You could comment anything you want and your favorite color, and comment what's your name. And okay, if you want to share, and this one is the Halloween event and season B album starter pack and shop. and auto collection, and I need to plant 20 daisy seeds online for 20 minutes. Plant 10 sunflower seeds. So guys, 3 pa lang. Yung sunflower. So guys, beehive. Bye. Tayo guys, bye tayo. Bye tayo. Sunflower. Two, three. Oh no. So guys, bukas pala ay Halloween event. So, may Halloween event kasi Halloween na, November 1 na bukas. Kasi, ano na guys pala, October 30. So guys, ayan guys. So bye guys, and I need just to plant those there, and bye. See you to my next video.